Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to search in Notion. So let's get started. Open your Notion application and at the left side top right corner you will see a search button, and in here you can search or you can use the short keywords which is Control and P, and in this way you can also search. So in here you can search for anything, or if you want to search for any specific things like any page table or any content that you have added in your pages, you can also search by it in this way. And if you want to ask something, you can also do it. As you can see, you can ask in here, and in here it will show the whole process, and here you can ask any questions whatever you need to. If you are a beginner, you want to ask anything as like how to add a table or how to add column or anything, whatever you just need, you can ask in here and it will show you the whole the process. And if you just follow the process, you will simply it will be very helpful to use your Notion application. And that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion and keep in touch with us.